Listen, I need something that I can be blasting on my radio at full volume without people judging me. I need something I can be playing on my radio at full volume without having to have people judge me. My window's down. My window's down. I want to have my windows down. I want to have my windows down. I want to have my windows up. I want to have my windows down. People judging me. I want something I can be blasting at full volume without people judging me. Are you judging me? Are you judging me? Something that I can blast at full volume without having to have people touch me.